This is Gangchon.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, we can still have fun for
I'm
now.
going to Moombae village. It is beside of Gugok waterfall.
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust
When
me.
Korean
City
War occurred,
message received.
the people
You
who
said
lived
you couldn't
here
take us too
wasn't aware
seriously.
of it.
I must admit I was relieved.
I,
Cause I never
who
wanna
don't
play
like
happy
too much
families with you,
information,
but I like having you
wanted
around.
to
I'm
visit
fully aware
this
this is a
village.
flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
By the way, oh gosh, should I climb up? Up and up?
So when you stop paying so much attention,
Being curious
and when you're
makes
moving
me
in
walk a
another
lot.
direction, don't
Always
worry, I get
happens
it.
to me.
I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're
Awesome
not mine, it's
scenery
just my turn.
to have
Still
meditation.
have fun for now. No, I never wanna play
Is
happy
that the
families
end of
with
this
you, but I
world?
like having you
I hope so.
around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
I even didn't wear
we can
hiking
still
boots
have
today
fun for now.
because
Oh, we can still
it
have
wasn't
fun for now.
my schedule climbing up high. Oh, my ankles are twisting. How much longer should I keep climbing? Is this the end? Around the corner? No, not yet. Looking back the way I climbed, oh, it is so gorgeous. Finally, I made it. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't give up, so I could see this beautiful lake. Here is a very small, not that small, beautiful lake. Oh, it's awesome. It was a rare thing that I can getting myself in the nature. This nature emptied all my stress today. On the way back, I saw a sign and it says it is connected to another mountain. Next time, I might come with my best friend, with Isaac. Maybe it could be winter to wear Isaac.
All the things I said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking.
Although British is saying that you should subscribe and empty your stress watching this video. And there is a very beautiful coffee shop, and the owner is from Suji, Jukjeon. It's the same place where I am living. So I was very glad to meet someone living who lived in the same area with me. And here I saw a cute puppy and a pretty daughter of the owner of this coffee shop. And the coffee tastes good here. On the way back, I took a subway and it was awesome too.